Hello everyone, welcome to Scott Rods. Today I'm going to be doing some resto work on the floor of my coupe, but not the top bit of the floor, the underside bit of the floor. Let's see how we're going to do that. Now, nobody likes lying underneath a car, sanding, cutting, grinding, welding. So my plan, lift the body up, move it over there, drop it down, and then flip it over on its side and get stuck in. I shall be using a combination of engine hoist and muscular ingenuity. Let's go. Well, that was much easier than I expected. I didn't need to use the hoist to lift it over. It's only heavy if you're trying to lift it straight up. So that's what I have to do. Let's have a look. Sorry for the wind, guys. So, you're probably paranoid because I've rested it on this edge here, but as you can see, it's all garbage anyway. I need to fix all that. The same up here. But I can replace all that once it's back on the car, to be honest. It'll be much easier. I tell you what, the floor itself is pretty good. I don't have a lot to do. I need to repair the back sections where the body mounts go. That one's bent away up, it should be straight. That one's bent a little bit, needs to be straight as well. So that's fine. Yeah, not bad at all. Really just cleaning up and throw on some anti-rust type paint, maybe some Stone Guard, which I think I've got a can of. And those little plates that I welded on to meet it up, I need to weld that all properly and put a nice big plate around there, same at that side. Okay, let's get cleaning. So all I'm doing here is really just removing any flaky bits of paint and loose rust. I'm not going for a show car here. And what I'll do is I'll go around all these little holes and mark them with a white paint pen, because I want to fill all those little holes in. They shouldn't take long. I'll just put a little plate in the back. Main thing is welding this up. So that's the extension plates I had to make for the body mounts to attach to this stupid big 3-inch body frame. So it's just kind of tacked on there. That section is attached to that section quite nicely. I think I welded that before I welded this bit on. So it's just kind of tacked on there and under there. So I'll weld it round there, weld it round there, in there, and then that side, and then I'll weld a plate over the top just to finish it all off. The same on that one down there. Yeah, there's the odd hole like that. This section here, I don't like that, but again, it's not really structural, it's just the floor, so I'll weld a plate over the top all the way down there. Same on that one. I have no idea what those screw holes used to go for, be for, but they'll be getting filled over for now. Right, marking then welding. These are the plates I'm going to weld on over the top. So it'll get welded all the way up that side, all the way up this side, and I'll do a blanking plate over the end of that just to make it all nice. And that's specifically rounded so that the body mount can sit completely on the base. And that one will go down there. Right, let me get these welded on. Behold my masterpiece. The other one doesn't look as nice, so just ignore that. Okay, question. So I'm not going to finish this today. I've still got the holes and just the mild steel stuff. It's easy enough to weld, it's just you got to take your time, and I guarantee if I finish that today I will just cover it in stone guard. And I'd like your opinion. What should I actually paint this with? Should I pre-treat it with something or just stone guard it? Let me know. I'm not looking for perfection, just something that will last a couple of years till I turn it into a show car. You know what? While the car's on its side, I might as well do the roof now that I can reach it, or at least the middle section. That'll save a lot of headache. Get it all nice and shiny, throw on some clear coat. Not tonight though. Right folks, I look forward to your comments and I'll get back at this tomorrow. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Bye bye.